No, carry a word.
Of course. I will throw you out. You threw him out. And that was very good. He was the
Are you still there? Okay, cut just Good morning, thank you.
Okay, are you guys ready? We just want to know what transpired today. We see that your client has been rearranged.
Yes. The rearrangement took place today. Fresh plea taken, the former bail to continue, and the matter adjourned for trial. This is the proper trial, not what started during the vacation. This is when trial is going to start. So, to November 23rd. Yes, 23rd.
Could you give us, for those who don't know, what's the reason behind the case coming to the new judge?
No. There's no reason. It's just that's the law. You remember that earlier arraignment was during the vacation. So it was just an interim thing. Yeah, because it was the vacation judge that took it. But now the matter is commencing before the regular court. Thank you.
It's just, okay. It's just a question, what transpired today in court. I see that the EFCC has rearranged the former Accountant General.
Yes, initially the case was before a vacation judge. And normally after the vacation, such cases will be reassigned to a regular court. So, and I think that's the reason why the case was reassigned to this court. Now we have done the rearrangement before a regular court, not a vacation judge. Now, and then it's adjourned for trial to the next adjourned date.
How many witnesses are you expected to present?
We have a list of witnesses. I think should be the range of 15 or thereabouts. But it's not compulsory. We call all the witnesses, and we may also call more than the witnesses listed.
Thank you.
Thank you.